Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock transfer entries in Tally Prime. Stock transfer is essential for businesses with multiple storage locations, like godowns or warehouses. It helps you accurately track inventory movement from one place to another within your company. This process ensures your stock records are always up to date, providing a clear picture of your inventory levels across all locations. Proper stock management leads to improved operational efficiency and better inventory control. Before recording any transfers, you need to enable a few key features in Tally Prime. First, navigate to the F11 features and activate Maintain Multiple Godowns under the Inventory section. This allows you to create and manage various storage locations. Next, ensure Use Stock Journal for manufacturing and godown transfers is also enabled. These settings are crucial for accurately tracking your inventory movements between different godowns, setting the foundation for your stock transfer entries. Now let's record a stock transfer entry. From the gateway of Tally, go to Vouchers and select Stock Journal. On the left side, under Source Consumption, choose the godown from which stock is moving out. On the right, under Destination Production, select the godown where stock is moving in. Enter the item details, including the quantity and rate for each item being transferred. This ensures both locations reflect the correct inventory levels. After recording your stock transfer, it's important to verify the changes. You can check the godown summary report to see the updated stock levels in both your source and destination godowns. The stock summary report provides an overall view of your inventory. For a detailed list of all transfers, navigate to the Stock Journal Register. These reports help confirm that your inventory movements are accurately reflected, ensuring precise stock management across all your locations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.